We spend hours researching corded drills from the most popular tool brands, evaluating power, reliability, and versatility. Our favorite corded drill is the BLACK+DECKER DR260C 3/8" corded drill, thanks to its compact size, variable speeds, and powerful performance. There are numerous options for cheap corded drills, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable corded drills from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER DR260C 3/8" corded drill. Don't let its compact size fool you. The BLACK+DECKER corded drill packs a powerful punch with its variable speeds. The 5.2 amp motor provides a lot of juice with 1500 RPMs for quickly powering through almost any job around the home. This handy tool weighs just 3.5 pounds, making it easier to use for more extended work sessions. Plus, there's a lock-on button to keep the power flowing, without having to squeeze the trigger the entire time you are using the drill. It even has a bit storage chamber in the handle. For accurate drilling, the 3/8" drill with keyless chuck has a one-handed forward-reverse slider and variable speed switch. Set it on a slower speed for precise drilling through hard metals, or pump it up to bite through masonry and wood in minutes. This little workhorse can switch from drilling wood, drywall, and metal, to taking on sanding and buffing jobs, with a change of attachments. This pick is great for the digger who wants a drill that weighs less and can last a long time. It scores high marks for the power and versatility it provides, and with a very reasonable price, as well. Number 2. Bosch RH328VC 1/8" rotary hammer drill. A good hammer drill is heavy-duty, as well as heavier than a regular corded drill. These tools not only have the rotating movement common to all drills, but also add in a slight hammering burst of energy to increase the drill's power. The rapid hammering motion is powerful enough to fasten a railing to concrete or take down an old steel fixture tied to a house's foundation. The Bosch 8-amp hammer drill can drive quickly into concrete, and is tough enough to remove stubborn tile, drywall, and more. And thanks to its vibration control design, even demolition jobs or remodels won't put too much strain on your hands. The power-to-weight ratio is impressive at 8 amps, and 2.6 foot-pounds impact energy, yet the tool is a reasonably lightweight 7.7 pounds. Its 1 1/8" chuck holds the largest bits for the utmost in drilling power. If all that isn't impressive enough, the 3 modes of operation on the multifunction selector make this drill powerful and versatile. Choose from rotation only, hammer only, or rotation plus hammer. The Bosch Stereo Lock feature puts the drill in neutral, so you can choose from 12 different positions to get the job done right. Number 3. Makita DS4012 1/2" Spade-Handle corded drill. Spade-handle corded drills are sometimes called mud mixers, as they are often used with mixing bits to stir thick materials such as concrete, drywall, or plaster. Of course, you can also use the Makita DS4012 1/2" spade-handle corded drill for drilling into wood, driving screws, and other basic tasks. With an 8.5 amp motor, this is a drill with plenty of power, whatever the job. It has variable speed control for 0 to 600 RPM, as well as a forward-reverse lever. Its metal 1/2" chuck keeps the bit secure, while the double-insulated motor reduces noise and vibration. The D-handle can rotate 360 degrees for positioning right where you need it, and the grip is rubberized for comfort and stability. On the downside, it does require a key to change the bits, but it's a nicely balanced drill that minimizes user fatigue even on lengthy projects. Number 4. Porter Cable PC600D 3/8" corded drill. This popular porter cable drill is designed for high performance as well as comfort. If you have a job that is going to be a long, repetitive one that requires bit changes as you head to the finish line, this pistol grip drill gives as good as it feels. The keyless 3/8" chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes. The 6.5 amp motor offers power with a 0 to 2500 RPM variable speed trigger. And with powerful torque, the drill easily powers through tough materials, including metal and hardwoods. A lock-on button gives solid control for this comfortable and ergonomically designed pistol grip drill that is ideal for prolonged use on big or little jobs. The versatile and powerful drill can get through steel and wood jobs, with the porter cable hand position options, offering better control and comfort than many of this drill's counterparts on the market. Number 5. Milwaukee 029920 1/2" corded Magnum drill. Even though it has a powerful motor, this baby hums due to the quiet rotation of its helical-cut steel gears. With an 8-amp motor and a 1/2" key chuck that can handle pretty much any bit that you may have, the Milwaukee will get through long, hard jobs without complaint. The clutch is designed to limit the max amount of torque the drill can apply to a fastener, so that you have a consistent depth throughout the project. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.